In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable Instagram account anytime you want, because if you disable your account once and then activate it, you have to wait 10 days before disabling this account again. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable your Instagram account anytime you want. So to do that, open up your settings, scroll down and select General. There, tap Date and Time and turn off Set Automatically to set Custom Day and Time. Then tap here and there select a date that will be 10 days or a couple of weeks more than today. Now it's 24th of May. I'll go to June and select June 15. And now I can hop out settings, open up my notification center and check that date now set to 15 June. And now I need to open up some browser. I'll use Safari and here enter in Instagram.com, because you can do that and you can use that life hack with the Instagram application. So once you are on your browser and you just go through login process, you need to tap on Edit Profile right here. Then scroll down to the bottom, here tap on Temporarily Disable My Account, and now you will be able to disable your account. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.